Hi, my name's Antony and I work here at Melett in the technical team. You may have spoken to me on the phone a few times and now you get a chance to see me. What we're going to do today is we're going to show you how the technicians at Melett would strip down a core. This is the Melett 008 tool. What we're going to use that to secure the core. Once we've got that in place, we'll use an M8 spanner to take the shaft nut off. When we come to set the compressor wheel off, we may need to apply some heat. So what we'll do is we won't point it directly at the compressor wheel. We'd use a circular motion to even out the heat so it doesn't melt the aluminium. You would use heat resistant gloves to take that off once you've warmed it up. Once we're inside here, we're now going to take the shaft out, and all we need to do is apply a little bit of pressure and that should pop out. Got the shaft there and the heat shield. We're now going to take the 4 seal plate bolts out of the seal plate. We're going to use a Toques T20 drive to get this out. And what you may need to do is you may need to shock the bolts, as sometimes they can be quite stiff. What we will be doing in the future is we will be showing you some failure diagnosis videos, and we'll use all the components and the methods that we're showing you on this video today to help you diagnose your failures as well. So once we've taken them out, we'll take the seal plate off. We've got the O-ring. And inside here, we're going to have a thrust slinger. And what we're going to use there is just going to apply a bit of pressure on the top side and push that out. We're now onto the inside of the bearing housing. I've got a little tool here, it's like a little pick. You may have a tool in your workshop that you might use. And what we're going to do is we're going to get out the smaller components. We're going to use this. So there we go, we've got the thrust bearing, the thrust spacer, very difficult for you to see, and the thrust washer. We're now onto the journal system, and all we're going to do now is take the anti-rotation pin out and the journal bearing. For that, we'll just turn it around, and in this case it's just going to drop out nicely. So there we go, we've completed the strip down of the core. What we are going to do in the near future is we're going to be releasing some videos. These videos are going to show you how you can diagnose yourself the 4 main failure modes that we see the most at Melett. That's insufficient lubrication, oil contamination, foreign object damage, and overspeeding. Using the same techniques we've just used here to show you how to diagnose your failures. If you've enjoyed our videos, hit the like button, leave us a comment below, or subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch further videos from Melett.